Hey, my name is Igor Staněk. I'm product PR manager of Nvidia, and I would like to show you something now from the secret physics effect, from the secret upcoming physics patch which come this month. So we have here a high elf character, and each of the characters has different spells. The physics is probably mostly visible when you try to play with the spells. We have, for example, here the glacier thorns, which are really cool. They are casting some kinds of the ice, and it's destroyed for the thousands of the small pieces which are running around, and all these particle effects are done by physics. When you run here around the wall, sometimes the rocks falling down, which is as well done by physics, but it depends on the situation you see, the rocks or the leaves. So it's practically in the whole game you see very small details which normally you cannot recognize for the first look, but everything is done by physics. The second spell what you can, for example, show is this one is the Blazing Tempest. What you see here, the smoke and everything is done by physics, by the particle effects as well. So it really depends on the character you play, because you can get really lots of spells with, I don't know, it's like 10 or maybe less the character in the game. So let me change the another character that you can see the different spells. You see here we are in the swamp, so it's a little bit dark because there is a fog around, but again all the fire he has around his weapons are again done by particle effects, by the physics. So let me kill him and we can try a couple of spells here. You have the killing spree. It's not just that he has a faster attacks. Let me get rid of them. Need to have a as I said, it's a lot of the small effects, like the falling leaves, rocks, and you see this one, the physics effect as well. And by the way, it's not easy. If you play the Ascaron on the normal configuration without the physics, and the previous version, it was very difficult, because even for 2560 or 1600, the most powerful configurations, they have a problem to run it fluently. And with the physics, we're helping a lot of the things which we did in the past on the CPU, running on the GPU, and it's changing dramatically the performance of the game. So this is generally all the game. You have to try it by yourself, but from my point of view, it's really cool, and lots of the effects we are doing here I never seen before in any game.